How to select layers on maps.me. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select layers on maps.me. So the first step is to log in into maps.me, just like I've done here. And then once you've done that, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see the layers option. It is usually represented by a stack of squares. All right, so once you can see that, click on it. So once you click on that, you can see some options displayed here. You can see a list of available layers like traffic. You can see map style, you can see map settings. All right, so under the layers tab, you can see the ones that you can select. You can see the isoling layers, you can see 3D buildings, you can see subway. So you can add 3 of these layers together. So you can select all of these layers or you can leave it that way. Then you also have an option for you to select the kind of map style you want. Then you can move to the map settings. Under map settings, select road alerts. So this way, you have an option for you to enable and disable seeing traffic, public transport, cycling routes, etc. So if you want to do that, click on continue, and then you have an option to view all of this just by selecting the layer. So you can select this amongst the layers. Okay, do you want to see traffic lights? Do you want it to see, you want to see giveaway sign? Just go ahead and select this. In fact, if you want to see all of the alerts, you can click on this and all of the alerts be selected, all of them selected as layers, and that's where you would receive further details about your trip whenever you try to locate a location on maps.me. So this is how you can select layers on maps.me. I hope I have answered your question. If I have, ensure you subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and recommend this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching and have a good day.